Today video is the second part of how I cook tofu for my family dinner. So this recipe is actually very common in Indonesia. Most of the Indonesians probably cook this recipe at their home. And we call this recipe in Bahasa Indonesia SEMUR TAHU. And the translation will be gravy sweet soya sauce tofu. I think tofu best cooked with sweet soya sauce. The mild sour taste of tofu and mixed with the sweetness of sweet soya sauce create a very lovely taste for this recipe. The use of coriander nuts is quite important because it is creating the thick sauce for this recipe. But if you don't have a coriander nut, you can just use macadamian nuts as a replacement. The tofu must be fried until it looks brown and it looks sort of very crunchy if you bite them. There are two spices used in this recipe, cloves and star anise. These two spices are used to get rid of the tangy smell of eggs or meat if you are using meat instead of eggs. And of course, 4 spoons of sweet soya sauce. I also add some palm sugar. The story today, I actually want to cook this fruit only for me and going to leave it overnight because the next day this food tastes much better in my opinion. But then I decide, let's make this food as dinner tonight. As I mentioned before, you can also use meat, you can also use chicken, but today I'm just going to use eggs. Please don't stir the eggs, leave it like that until they cook. Reduce the heat and pour the vegetables and cover the lid. Don't overcook the vegetables, leave it like a little bit crunchy and switch off the stove completely. Pour inside the tofu and then stir it a bit, just cover the lid again, and that's it, you are done for this recipe. Sprinkle chopped spring onion. Add extra chili as desired. Good appetit!